Queensland Department of Primary Industries is currently leading a program funded by Hort Innovation to accelerate the adoption of autonomous and mechanised advanced technologies for the Australian vegetable industry. Australian vegetable growers are currently facing several key challenges around high costs of production, crop input costs, as well as labour, and access to labour as well for some quite labour intensive operations on farm.
And that's the most challenging thing is finding something that suits what you're doing, because what we're doing is different to next door. So seeing the tech companies' willingness to work with growers with the different planting operations, I think that's been pleasing to see.
Stout is an automated cultivator that uses computer vision to cultivate in between the plants. So historically, cultivation was always done in between rows, leaving a large chunk not cultivated. What's unique about our machine is that it does both the full bed top, so covering the inter-row and intra-row in between the plants.
I think there's a real opportunity there for growers to have a better understanding of what's happening in field.
Skysense helps solve the problem of not having enough eyes on your field. When you have a lot of land to manage and you don't know where the weeds are, or you don't have a real number for your stand count, Skysense drones will count your plants, locate weeds, and port that information straight into your equipment to spot spray, just spray the weeds.
What we've seen is a lot of technology. There's a lot of startups. There's a lot of companies that are bringing something to the market that they think's useful. For us, we're on the other side of the fence trying to make an assessment.
This tape material, which is our namesake, the plant tape, to grow the transplants where it goes into the machine behind me, gets singulated by this module and then planted into the ground at any plant-to-plant spacing that a grower would desire. So we can go 2 to 3 acres an hour depending on your plant population with only 3 people. So it's very fast, very efficient, and a big labor savings for growers. You know, we're not AI, we're not a robot, we are a very fast, efficient piece of equipment, right? We don't have complicated systems or pneumatics. It's all very mechanical. So something that sets us apart is that your standard mechanic can fix anything on these modules or machines.
So this machine here is the Model B sharpshooter. It's the only machine that does atoms on target, aims before it shoots, can deliver inputs anywhere from the size of your pinky fingernail, like a dime, to a dinner plate, all while moving through the field at the same speed, up to 5 miles an hour, taking up to 500 shots per second. And so this is a unique delivery mechanism that can shoot underneath crops, get very close to crops, high density crops, apply inputs, whether that's for weeding, fertilizer, protectorants, wide variety of inputs to guide the crop.
This technology, when it comes over, if it's shared between multiple farmers, I think it'll make a big difference for what we do.